Hello, this is the Yusuf Antar, and I went to the aviation museum and I bought this Southwest, and you're hearing the news right now. It's the news of, stuff. Yeah, I hope you can hear it. I never had a Southwest Airlines. My place, the airport, is a regional airport. It's called Manchester Boston Regional Airport. It is, I think, there's 4 planes of Southwest that fly here. And I already cut the tape. And I opened it for just to see it for a little while. I accidentally dropped it, and this part of the nose has the damage. I wanted to do a re-unboxing anyways, so for you guys to see tug and stuff. So Southwest Airlines will be coming out. I might buy a Gemini jets really soon. So unboxing this, and the bus and the other cars, and taking up the cones, actually the plane first, and Southwest livery, Southwest, stickers. Southwest has no alliance at all, so even though if Southwest is a low air cost airline, low carrier, and hold on, I'll take out the card. This card stuff. This the catering truck. um, Southwest Airlines, small freedom, other stuff. I have to keep on trying to take out this bus, and a tug. Oh, this box here. I'm gonna turn it into a thing for it, which I call it. This which I call it the place where parks and stuff. There we go, the tug. Star, the little heart, tug. Came with the little stick here. And the bus finally, yeah, it comes out. This bus is weird. Back here, it says, right wherever that little door is where you can't see, it says Southwest. Like, really. Southwest plane, the bus. Whatever. Signs, logos, and everything. I'm not gonna. Well, maybe I can. Oh, great. I got so many stuff. So Continental. I do have that plane, but Matchbox. It's really old. These signs too. Which I am. Sorry. Please, drivers, if you're driving outside with your phone or stuff, please, I advise you to buckle up. If you don't, then you know what will happen. You will crash and die. Another sign. This is the windstock sign. This is the sign. Please. Ahead. There's a plane up ahead. Do not cross. And that thing. That's all. I unboxed another airline that has, and that moved. An American Airlines. This has a playset too. It's in my room. This one I bought a long time ago, and the stuff really came off. I had to tape this part because it's broken in here. These are my other airlines that I'm showing you. United. If you guys never heard, United has, I think, yeah. All this stuff has came off. And this is a Star Alliance member. The Continental toy. I put it United because since Continental merged into United, this is really a Continental toy. I'm not I'm not lying for real. See, at the bottom of these paper things that are signs is Continental. Since Continental merged with United, though, the cockpit came off for no reason. This is a Star Alliance member. Used to be. And Continental used to be the major based airline. And that's all. That's all I wanted to show you. And that's Southwest Airlines. Bye.